Hello everyone, I am Dr. Reena Prasad, Associate Professor in SMH College, Patna. The topic of today's discussion is debenture, the capital market instrument. So first of all, what is capital market? Capital market is the market for the investment in the long-term assets or instruments. So debenture is a capital market instrument because it is a long-term instrument. It is a fixed income financial security. Debenture holders are known as the creditors of the firm because debenture is a debt instrument. Now we are going to discuss about the debenture's features. The first feature of debenture is interest rate. Interest rate of a debenture is fixed. The interest is called as a contractual coupon rate of interest or contractual or coupon rate of interest. The payment of interest is legally binding on the company. So debenture is tax deductible for computing the company's corporate tax. It means the debenture's interest is subtracted from the income of the company, then the corporate tax is calculated. Thus, debenture interest is tax deductible for computing the company's corporate tax. The next feature is maturity. Maturity is the length of time until the company redeems or terminates the debenture. In India, the maturity of debenture is generally 7 to 10 years. So, the next feature of debenture is redemption. Debenture can be redeemed in two ways. The first way is by using the sinking fund. Now what is sinking fund? Sinking fund is a fund created by setting aside cash periodically for the purpose of retiring the debenture. The next method for the redemption is buyback or call provisions. It is a provision that enables the company to redeem the debenture at a specified price before the maturity price. Therefore, the buyback price may be more than the par value of the debenture. The difference between the two values, that is the buyback price and the par value of the debenture, is known as the buyback premium. So next feature is indenture. Indenture is a legal agreement between the debenture issuing company and the debenture trustee. Now who can be the debenture trustee? A bank, a financial institution or an insurance company can be the debenture trustee. So now what are the contents of indenture? In indenture there is the description of debenture. Rights of debenture holders are included in it. Rights of debenture issuing company and the responsibilities of debenture trustee are written in the indenture. Next feature is security. On the basis of security, debentures can be classified into unsecured debenture or secured debenture. Secured debenture means it can be covered by the immovable assets of the company. Unsecured debenture means it is not covered by any security, therefore it is known as the naked debenture. Convertibility. On the basis of convertibility, the debenture may be classified into convertible or non-convertible debenture. Convertible debenture means the debenture can be fully or partly converted into the equity share of the same company. Non-convertible debenture means the debenture cannot be converted into the equity share. The next feature is yield. Yield on the debenture may be of two types. The first one is current yield. Current is related to the market price of the debenture. So current yield is equal to the amount of interest divided by the current market price of the debenture. The next type of yield is yield to maturity. Yield to maturity takes into account the payments of interest and the principal amount over the complete life of the debenture. Claims on assets and income. So debenture holders have prior claim on income and assets of the company. It means Before giving any dividend to preference shareholders or common shareholders, debenture holders have the claim on the income of the company when the company is in the operating mode, and it has got the first claim before that of preference shareholders and common shareholders in the income of the company, in the assets of the company when it is being liquidated. Thank you.